I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm on talking about generational wealth, making money online, business credit, and things of that nature. Hey, look, man, I want to talk about investing today. All right, but look here. I want you to know that everything over here is business. All right. When you look at what's going on in this pandemic and everything, you know, it's business. Now, I'm not saying, I'm not here to speculate about what's what and what's going on, but I do know that at the end of the day, whoever's sending out doses of treatments and stuff like that is getting paid for their services. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm not here to call nothing right or wrong or moral or immoral. I'm not even here to argue. But what I can know is that some of the main persons, you know, when you're dealing with corporations and such, you can actually, you can invest in them. So if you're interested in learning, because at one point in time I didn't know, and this is not no in-depth information. This is just going to give you, plant some seeds with you and allow you to do your own research and take it from there. All right. So it's going to be people walking around trying to do this here, and the big companies are sending all that stuff out. It's a payday for them. If you feel what I'm saying. So if you realize that, and you know that something else that triggered me too, I'm gonna get to the point in a minute. Something else triggered me too is it's very in the business sense, very successful people or whatever you want to call them, millionaires, billionaires, speaking on this health topic, and you know why this is important, and you know why certain peoples should be taking it first and everything like that. And I'm like, man, these people like technology driven, are they business minded, and now they talking about health. How does all this go together? All right. So just, put that up, you know what I'm saying? Put that up in some gumbo and do with it as you please. But now, shout out to my aunt, man. My aunt hit me up and said, man, how do I invest in you know what I'm saying? How do I invest in this stuff? You know what I mean? So just to keep it simple with y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all, do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I just remember, I know I remember my first time, because I'm new to this stuff too, especially with the stock side. I remember my first time, thinking about getting in the stocks. I ain't really understand it. I ain't grasp the concept because I was like, I didn't understand, what IPO was. I didn't know when people was going public. I didn't know none of this stuff. And I remember when Beyond Meat was about to launch. Now I'm plant-based or whatever, and you know what I'm saying, I'm not telling nobody to eat that or whatever. But I knew when I had tried it, I said, man, this stuff gonna blow, man. I ain't had nothing, like that or whatever. And I was like, man, I should put some stock in it. But, they wasn't public yet, and I ain't know where to go, how to, you know what I'm saying? So by the time, they took off, and this was recently now, by the time they took off, I like, man, you know what I'm saying? I should have figured it out, but somebody had told me, hey, man, download Robinhood, you know what I'm saying, afterwards. I'm like, oh, okay. And then I realized, oh, okay, I can download Robinhood. I can search what shares have what. Okay, cool. You know what I'm saying? But when I got more into it, I learned a few different things. So for one, let's backtrack. If you do want to find these people, you have to know what these what corporations are behind them. And once you do that research, now you can go see, if you can actually go invest in them on the market and such. All right. So that's all I did. And I'm gonna show you real quick how to find it on my phone in a minute. But some apps that you can use, one of my personal favorites is Webull. All right, so right now I think all of these apps are usually when you share with somebody you get a free stock. But I think Webull is giving out like 4 free stocks right now if you get it and you put in $100 deposit. You know what I'm saying? So that's something you want to check into. You can check in that. I like Dough, D-U-G-H. I'm saying, so something about the interface I really gravitate toward more than Robinhood. But if you're just getting started, Robinhood is good. If you're just getting started, you know what I'm saying? They even allow you to do things like on Cash App as well. All right, but when you start getting up into that next tier, of it. You know what I'm saying? Then you want to look into things like TD Ameritrade. You know what I'm saying? Things like that to start taking that to the next level. And if y'all know any others that, you know what I'm saying, for people to get into it, y'all drop them in the comments below too. But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you just simply how to go find this stuff real quick. All right. So first thing I did was this. Who makes the, you see that right there. So all I did was come over here and I see this. I'm like, okay. You see that name? Bio and Tech. What does that mean? Bio and Tech. Okay. Boom. You see it right here, right? You see that? Such and such incorporated. Okay. All right. And then now I'm over here to one of my stock apps. I got this one. I got Webull. All I have to do is come in here and type in the name. All right. And here it is right here. All right. And you can come over here. You can take a position. You can see you check your positions on it. You can trade it. Boom. That's simple, right? If you want to buy it right here at 36.73, you know what I'm saying, you can buy it at market. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to teach y'all how to trade, but this is something you can tap into. Now, we can even look at one of the other apps, right? All right, we look at Doe. I like Doe as well, okay? Logging into Doe. Boom, there you go right here. All right, it lets you know right here, buy option. All right, so you can do that if you want to too. All right, there you go. Yeah, so that's it, family. You know what I'm saying? Just showed you real quick how to tap in. You know what I'm saying? If you want to go out and invest in them corporations that do that kind of stuff, do your due diligence. But that's your entry level to at least how you get in there if you want to get you a piece of that. And those same things can go with any other any other things that companies that you looking to invest in. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This ain't no financial nor legal advice. Do your own due diligence. All right, just showing you my insight and take this information and do your own search and research and what you want to invest in. I can't tell you what to do. All right, but this is just for the people that ask me, because shout out to my Uncle Stanley that reached out, you know what I'm saying, to me or whatever. So that's how you go and do that. If y'all interested in Webull, there'll be a link below for that. You know what I'm saying? It's still like 4 free stocks. And you could take that money, do whatever you want to do with it. They'll give you a free stock, and then I think Robinhood do as well. But teach is on. Whatever y'all want to use is on y'all, man. The business credit course is still half price until the end of December 31st. So pretty much New Year's Day. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all tap in with that. If you want to get me on the line, it's a link in the description for that as well. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.